guys, I'm Sophie from Art Makeup by Sophie. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created pencil through my nose makeup look. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and if you didn't watch my previous video yet, don't worry, I will put a link in down below. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
First I break a pencil into 3 parts and I throw away the middle. Then I mark with the white eye pencil where the pencil is going to be, so I know where to paint the wound. Then I go ahead with the dark brown eyeshadow to create a sort of shadow, and then I go over with the black eyeshadow. After that I paint over with some fake blood. I use liquid latex to make the pencil stick to my skin. And then I use some scar wax to cover up the bottom part of the pencil. I'm using coconut oil to smudge out the edges. With the Maron setting powder, I set the scar wax in place. I use a brown color to create some definition. And then I go over with the black color. After that, I add the red color around the wound and my nostril. Now I'm applying a thick dark blood around the pencil and my nostril. Then I put the other piece of the pencil in my nose. And at last but not least, I'm adding some stage blood into the wound and on one part of the pencil because that part has gone all the way through my nose.
This is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe here down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!